Okay, so today I'm going to review My Melody rice noodle soups. So I just received this and it's a 6-pack, just like this, like that. Chicken lemongrass flavored. Can't wait to try. Isn't that cute? Ready in 3 minutes. Microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds and let's stand for a minute. Very hot. I don't have my chopsticks today, but let's give this a try without the chopsticks. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna spin this. A little spin like this. It smells so good. It's missing flavors. Missing a lot of flavor. So let me get another stir. More stirring. It's very light. Try this again. Try this again. Let's try this again. My noodles are running away. Definitely smells better than how it tastes. Would I recommend it? I recommend more seasoning is what I recommend. 200 calories. I recommend more seasoning. So, chicken, lemongrass, I don't know. If you want something that tastes like nothing, this is it. Give it a try, all right? Bye.